Hi everyone, I'm going to go over a little bit about the final project, essentially getting to creating your LibAnswers FAQ, okay? And then I also have, I'm going to show you an example of one also. So this is the Santa Ana College Library Technology specific LibAnswers. When you get here, you go down to log in to LibApps, the link toward the bottom of the page. All right, you will then be given an area to log in with your email address and your password. If you haven't set your password yet, there's a forgot your password link that you can then add that into there and do your password reset, right? So I'm signed in right now not as an administrator, so I have a different email address. So I have the same privileges that you do as students in here. So this is the main page I see. You can see I added a comment on one of the FAQ entries here, right? You might want to try to, another way to do this, the debunk and reveal. That is the group that has all of the final projects. That's where you're going to make yours. That's where you have the ability to make yours. Okay, so to make your frequently asked questions, your FAQ, you're going to go up to the top of the screen and tickets and FAQs, and you can click on create FAQ. All right, and then make sure that it's under this group, debunk and reveal, not the literacies. That's where you did the other FAQ. You'll put your initial question, and then you'll save question and continue. Now, if you've already made one and you want to see all the ones that are available, if you go up to tickets and FAQ and go to the FAQ knowledge base, this is where you can see the other, the literacies. You can see the group. These were all our literacies ones. And under debunk and reveal, which if you want, you can go to just group, debunk and reveal, filter, and you'll see the example FAQ that I created. And so you can click on that. Now, you'll be able to edit this, but please don't, right? So if you go to preview, you can see that I put the main topic up here and then put some questions and then answered them right below it and put my references, image references, and then this is a hold-in for the media of what the embed code for a video would look like and what the embed code for a podcast would look like. I'm going to be adding actual video for Baby Jessica here and a podcast here as well, so you can kind of see what that would look like. But I figured this would be a good way to do that as well, so you could see what's going on ahead of time. Right? Now, let's say you've already started yours and you want to, oops, everything turned black. Let's say you want to come back and edit your new ticket. So when you log in again, you're going to go to the, let's just make a fake, another example one right now. So let's just say, this is going to call this test example. All right. Make sure it's in the right, yep, it's in the right one. We're going to save. Okay, and then let's save this. Okay, now let's say you've left for a while and you log back in. And how you're going to find this, because on your dashboard, when you first log in, it only has the comments, so you're not going to see your FAQ. So you'll need to go up to tickets and FAQ, FAQ knowledge base, and even when they're unpublished, so you can see that over here under statuses, this is an unpublished draft. And since I created it, I can see it. Until it is published, right? It's not going to be searchable on the main thing. But if you are signed in, you are going to be able to click on these. So make sure that because a few of you have the same topic. So if a few of you are doing a topic that is the same, make sure you put your name after it. So if you put Juneteenth and then dash your name, that will make it easier so that other people don't accidentally click on yours. You can then go ahead and click on that if you want to edit it. You can click the little I if you'd like to view it, just how it would look, preview it. You can also click here to edit it as well. So you can always go back and, assign topics to it if you'd like. You can add keywords. You can also do that. And then when you are complete and ready to go, you can say, I want this published, and then you can save it. But clicking on the title will get you into the edit area. And this is where you can put your Q&As. If there's files you want to upload, you can upload them here. You can also add links and files. You can also, this media, that's where you want to add a media item for your video or your podcast. If it's going to be a little harder probably to get an embed code for your podcast. So I would probably use the files folder or the files section here to upload the MP4 file of your podcast. However, if it is a video, I would suggest hosting it. Maybe you can put it as unlisted in YouTube, and then you can get the embed code and put the embed code in here and add media that way. Okay. I think that is everything I can add now. This is the URL that you are going to grab to share with me when you finally have everything complete at the end of the semester. If you have questions, let me know, okay?